And your name is?
Derek?
Derek. Okay, I have a question. Do you think we should get wider bike lanes? Is that a good idea?
Yeah, in some parts of the city for sure, yeah. Or bike lanes in general. 'Cause, yeah, there are some places no bike lanes.
Okay, that's cool. And do you think it's safe for bikes to be out at nighttime without a light, without a horn?
Well, I'm probably sitting without a horn. So, but no, I think you probably have a horn and a bell on your bike. Yeah, that would be good.
Great. And one more question. Have you ever seen a guy riding around backwards in Toronto?
I have. Yeah.
Well, that guy happens to be me. Is that unsafe, or do you think it's... What do you think?
I don't know. You seem a better biker than I, so if you can do it, go right ahead.
Great. Thank you very much. Thanks. Yeah, I have to go to court on October the 8th, so any support I can get saying I'm not messing around, I'm not doing tricks, I'm just trying to get to work.
Yeah.